Hello everyone, if you keep facing this error in Battlefield 6, DXGI error device removed, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying DirectX error on your Battlefield. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your card is set to stock settings. So just go ahead, open NVIDIA control panel up or AMD Software Adrenalin Edition, depending on what card you have. If you're on an NVIDIA card, what you're going to do is you're going to go into control panel, go into help, and make sure debug mode is ticked on. And if you're on an AMD card, then what you're going to do is you're going to open your Adrenalin Edition up. You're going to go into performance. You're going to go into tuning here then. You're going to make sure this is set to default. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open Steam up. You're going to right click on Battlefield 6, go into properties, make sure Steam overlay is turned off. And then you're going to right click on Battlefield 6 again, go into manage, go into browse local files, right click on Battlefield 6, go into properties, go into compatibility, make sure this disable full screen optimization is turned on, press OK on it. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you don't have any third-party overlay applications running. So if you have MSI Afterburner open, just close it. And if you have Discord open, just turn off Discord's overlay from Discord settings. And then you can go ahead and play your game and you'll see that you won't get that error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.